The packaged drinking water industry in India has seen significant growth over the past few decades. As water quality issues persist and consumer health consciousness rises, the demand for safe and clean drinking water is escalating. This sector presents a substantial opportunity for businesses to capitalize on the increasing need for reliable water sources. The packaged drinking water business in India offers vast opportunities for growth and profitability. With strategic planning, adherence to quality standards, and innovation in product offerings, businesses can effectively tap into this burgeoning market. Addressing challenges through sustainable practices and robust distribution networks will further solidify their position in the industry. Are you looking to enter the thriving packaged drinking water industry? We are excited to present a lucrative dealership opportunity with our premium packaged drinking water brand Bonfire Services Private Limited. Our brand stands out in the market for its superior quality, innovative packaging, and robust distribution network. As a dealer, you will benefit from our comprehensive support in production, manufacturing, packaging, delivery, marketing, and retail. Production and manufacturing. Our state-of-the-art production facilities ensure that our Bonfire packaged drinking water meets the highest standards of purity and taste. Utilizing advanced filtration and purification technologies, we guarantee that every drop of water is free from contaminants and packed with essential minerals. Our manufacturing process is streamlined and efficient, ensuring a consistent supply to meet market demands. Packaging. Innovative and attractive packaging is a hallmark of our brand. We offer a variety of packaging options, including eco-friendly bottles and packs in different sizes to cater to diverse customer needs. Our packaging not only enhances the shelf appeal but also ensures the freshness and purity of the water. As a dealer, you will have access to a range of packaging solutions that set our brand apart from competitors. Delivery. Our extensive logistics network ensures timely and efficient delivery to all our dealers. We employ a fleet of modern vehicles equipped with the latest tracking technology to monitor and optimize delivery routes. This guarantees that our product reaches your location in pristine condition, ready for immediate sale. Marketing support. We invest heavily in marketing to build brand awareness and drive consumer demand. As a dealer, you will benefit from national advertising campaigns, social media promotions, and local marketing initiatives. We provide promotional materials, point-of-sale displays, and digital marketing support to help you attract and retain customers. Our marketing team is always available to assist you with customized strategies tailored to your market. Retail support. To ensure your success, we offer comprehensive retail support. This includes training for your staff on product knowledge, sales techniques, and customer service. We also provide insights into market trends and consumer preferences, helping you to stock the right products and maximize sales. Our team is dedicated to helping you create an appealing retail environment that enhances the customer experience and drives repeat business. Why partner with us? Proven quality. Our stringent quality control measures ensure that our water is of the highest quality, trusted by consumers. Strong brand recognition. With a strong presence in the market, our brand is recognized and preferred by consumers. Comprehensive support. From production to retail, we provide all the support you need to succeed. Sustainable practices. We are committed to sustainability, offering eco-friendly packaging and responsible production practices. Seize this opportunity to become a part of a growing industry with a brand that prioritizes quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Join us as a dealer and be a part of our journey to provide the finest packaged drinking water to consumers everywhere. Bonfire Services Private Limited are into sales management, expertise with FMCG, real estate, insurance and film making business. And it has a packaged drinking water manufacturing business as well, which has a good return on investment all across Pan-India. With the investment starts from 5 lakhs to 2 crore. For more information and to apply for a dealership, call 9582327405 for the discussion. We are available on all social media. You can go to our website www.bonfireservices.com or YouTube channel Bonfire Services Private Limited. Channel partners are also welcome all across Pan-India. We look forward to partnering with you.